Ihe dịrị m na gị dịka ụmụafọ Igbo bụ ka anyị nwa oke anyị ndewonu. Okay, aha m wụ Punet Ogochukwu Ohaya. All right, tata bụ today, tata, today. Okay, tomorrow when I ask you what is tata and you tell me you don't know it, now you have to know it. Tata will get more mob tata today. And you know what is mob? Mob means or ma obo or tara or tata today. Some people can say ta. It is correct. Ta mob tata. Okay? Today. Okay. So ihe anyị nwere ime. Anyị means us. So what we have to do today is the head area. We may get to shoulders, okay? But I want everybody to know it, okay? So the head, your whole head, bo isi, head, bo isi. You better pay attention because I'm going to ask you a question as we go. Head, isi, hair, your hair. It's here if you look on the screen. It's ntutu. See, I closed my mouth to sound it. Ntutum, ntutu. My hair, ntutum. Okay, head, isi, hair, ntutu. Okay, head, isi, hair, ntutu. Eye, your eye is anya. Anya. Your ear. Nte. Nte. Pay attention because the sound of the ear and the cheek, they're a little bit kind of similar, but they're not the same. If you pay attention to the sound, the eye is to pay attention when you say inte, the ear. The eye has just one dot on top, but the cheek has a dot up and a dot underneath, and the sound differ. Now pay attention to the ear. Inte, the cheek, nti, is deep and is low. Nti, the ear is nte, it's high tone. High tone for the ear, which is nte. So you go up. Nte. The ear, the cheek, nti. You see the difference? Nti. It's not the same as nte. Okay? Nte. But the cheek, nti. So you know ear is above the cheek, right? So maybe that will help you remember the sound. The cheek is supposed to be low. The ear is supposed to be high. Okay? Now the nose. Imi. You see how I'm pronouncing it? Imi. All right? Your mouth. The mouth is just the open, okay? The opening. That's what it is. The opening is the mouth. On. Pay attention to the alphabet sound. The O with a dot and U with a dot. On. I didn't say on. I say on. Nose. Imi. Cheek. Don't forget the low tone. T. See, I close my mouth to sound the N. T. Nte, which is the ear. Even though you close your mouth too, but it's high. Nte. Cheek. Nte. 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 Okay. Mouth. Oh no. Now your shin. Aba. 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 Okay, I'm gonna ask question. Amanze. 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 Achorom kepo. Achorom means I want. Achorom, I want. Okay? Listen, know that word. If you want to say achorom candy. I want candy. Instead of saying I want, say achorom. I want food. Achorom nri. Achorom nri. Food means nri. Okay, Amanze. Achorom ke gwam gịnị wu? Hey, Amanze, unmute yourself. Gịnị wu hey?
Easy.
No. I said hair. Your hair. I'm talking about the hair. I didn't say head. I said hair. Amanze. Oluchi, Guinea, hair. Oluchi, unmute yourself.
Toto.
Two.
Two.
Goya Ozo.
Two.
There you go. Dalo. Bryant. Guinea, yeah. Bryant, unmute yourself. Brian, Guinea, yeah.
You see it now.
Bryant, Guinea, yeah.
Loud now. Say it loud.
Brian, Nte.
Nte.
There you go, Dalo. She de bube. Genebo. Head. She de bube. Unmute yourself.
Head. Bo. Tutu.
No. Headable. Easy. It's on the screen there, and I want you to look on the screen. Just want you to pronounce it, okay? Chimbo Sama. Genebu chic. You're chic. I'm touching it. Chimbo Sama. Unmute yourself. Chimbo Sama neba. Chimbo Sama Wilia Kagelu. Wilia Kelu, you know what it is? Wilia Kelu means raise your hand with your emoji. Okay, Chimbo Sama, mute. Genebu chic. Huh? No, I say you're chic. I didn't say the ear. T. Remember I say it's low. T. Goya Ozo. T. No. T. No, you're saying hi. I don't want you to start it high. There you go. Now, I'm keep ear. Chibusama. Nte. Okay, Des, unmute yourself. Des, again, mouth.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Dalo. Chinwa. Genewo. Chin. Your chin. Geneko. Chinwa. Chinwa. Unmute.
Abba.
Dalo. Chinwa. Okay. We're gonna keep going, okay? Let's keep going. Oluchi aka gị nọ n'elu, ị nwere ajụjụ? Okay. All right. So let's review again. Head, isi, hair, ntutu, eye, anya, ears, ntị, cheek, ntị, nose, imi, mouth, ọnụ, your shin, agba. All right, we're gonna move on now. So you see the earring. Earring is ọla ntị, ọla ntị. You see, it has to do with, that's why you're hearing the word ntị, ear again. Ọla means the ring, okay? The ring is the ọla, okay? Some people call it mgba ntị, but we use the Central Igbo. Ọla ntị, okay? Because it has to do with the ear. That's why you're hearing ntị. Ọla ntị. Now you see the lip. The lip here is ebugboro ọnụ. Can you sound it on your side? I want everybody to sound it after me. Ebugboro ọnụ. Come on. Let me break it down. Let me break it. Ebugboro ọnụ. Can you sound it again? Everybody. Ebugboro ọnụ. Can you sound it? Because it has to do with the mouth, okay? That's why you're hearing the lip. Okay. So it's ebugboro ọnụ. Ebugboro ọnụ. You'd better pay attention because I'm coming back to ask you. Now your teeth is eze. Eze. Now there's another word like that, but it means king. Eze. Eze is your teeth, but Eze is your king. I'm not talking about the king here. Eze. 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 Eze is king. Eze is teeth. Okay? So the other word, that one is it's not the same. Okay, I just want you to know they are not the same. But I'm going to put it here just to help you know, let you know that we have another word, but it means something else. It means something else. So when you say king, king is Eze. I didn't say Eze. I did not say Eze. I said Eze. Eze. Okay? What did I do? I said Eze, which is king. So let me do it again. King, it means Eze. All right? So they're not the same. I just wanted to point it out. Okay. Your teeth is Eze. Eze. The other word, which is the same word as Eze, but the tone is different. Eze versus Eze, which is king, because I'm going to tell you to tell me to sound the Eze and Eze. Now your tongue is what? Ire. Ire is your tongue. Now let's go back again. Your earring is ọla ntị. Ọla ntị. Your lip is ebugboro ọnụ. Ebugboro ọnụ. Your teeth, eze. Eze. Okay? Your tongue, ire. ire. Now, your face, your whole face is ihu. Ihu. Okay, let's go back. Head, isi, hair, ntutu, eye, anya, nose, imi, ear, nte. And I want you to repeat after me, okay? I muted you. Go ahead and sound it. Ear, nte. Cheek, nti. Cheek, nti. Nose, imi. Nose, imi. Your mouth, ono. Ono. Your chin, aba. Aba. Your earring, ola, nte. Ola, nte. Your lip, ebugboro, ono. We see who is going to get it, okay? Ebugboro, ono. Your teeth, eze. The other word, pay attention. Don't tell me, king, when I ask you for teeth, okay? Eze is king. Eze, king. But your teeth is eze. Tongue, ire. Your tongue is ire. Your whole face is ihu. Okay, let's have fun here. All right, let me get somebody. Chibuikem. Chibuikem on mute. Chibuikem, how do you sound your chin? Chibuikem, how do you sound it? Your chin. Okay. Chimbuchi. Chibuikem is not saying anything. Chimbuchi, how do you sound your tongue? Genebu tongue.
Chin in Igbo is agba.
Who is answering? Genebu.
Chimbuchi.
Chimbuchi, I asked you tongue. I didn't ask you chin. Genebu tongue.
Tongue. I'm trying to remember song.
Okay, let me ask another person then.
Wait, I think
she dubem genebo earring. She dubem genebo earring. Okay, I have to mute you. I have to mute you. Somebody there was making noise. Kenechi, unmute. Kenechi na Ugonna. Mana Kenechi, you are the one to answer. Kenechi Genebo, your hair, Kenechi.
hair.
Your hair, yes.
Not tutu.
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 Koya ozo.
Tutu.
Dalo. Craig, unmute yourself. Craig Osefo, unmute. Craig, Genebo, your teeth.
Veteran. Gable teeth. Inchichi, There you go. Good. You said louder?
Dalo. Okay. Dalo, Craig. Ebuka, unmute yourself. Ebuka, innocent. Ebuka, Genebo, your earring. When you finish answering the question, mute yourself. Ebuka, Huh?
Ọla ntị.
Ọla ntị.
Nte.
No. Ọla ntị.
Ọla nte.
Ọla ntị. Ebuka, repeat after me. Ọla ntị.
Ọla nte.
No, don't say nte. Ọla ntị.
Ọla nte.
Ebuka, can you say nte?
Nte.
No, nte. Come on. Nte.
Nte.
There you go. Kwuo ọzọ, Ebuka. Nte.
Ọla nte.
No. Ọla nte.
Ọla nte.
Okay, I need you to practice that, okay? Nte. Nte. Dalo, Ebuka. Kate, gịnị bụ your tongue?
Can you say tongue? In red.
Kate,
Red.
ire.
Say it.
Ire.
Yeah. Xavier, gịnị bụ your chin? Your chin, Xavier.
Agba.
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 Agba. It's okay, you're getting agba. Agba.
Agba. Agba.
Xavier, come on. Agba.
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 There you go. That was it. Okay, Zikora, gịnị bụ your shake? Zikora, unmute yourself. Come on, I unmuted you. Zikora, gịnị bụ your shake?
Nde.
Nti. Zikora, come on. Nti.
Nchi.
Dalo. Zara, gịnị bụ your teeth? Unmute yourself, Zara. Zara, gịnị bụ your teeth?
Eze.
Dalo. Ugo, gịnị bụ king, Ugo? How do you pronounce king? Ugo nọrọ ebe a. Okay. Tobenna, gịnị bụ king? Tobenna, unmute. Tobenna, gịnị bụ king? Tobenna, unmute yourself. You're not unmuting yourself.
King. King.
Chidubem on ebe a. Chidubem, gịnị bụ king? Eze. Dalo. Tobenna, I'm getting back to you again. I will see you again. Kamsi, Ozigbo. Kamsi, gịnị bụ earring? Kamsi, unmute yourself. Earring.
Ọla nte.
Ọla nte. Can you say that?
Ọla nte.
Ọla nte.
Ọla nte.
Galo. Favor, what is head? Your head. Favor, unmute yourself. Favor.
Isi.
Dalo. Obi na Chima. O beginning mouth. Hope you unmute yourself. Okay, Nkechi. Okay, no dalo. All right, Nkechi. Nkechi gini hair. The hair. What is it?
You want head?
Ntutu.
Ntutu. Can you say that, Nkechi? Nkechi say ntutu.
Ntutu.
Kushie ike means say it loud.
Ntutu.
Ntutu. Dalo. Okay, let's finish it up. We're doing the head area. So now, you see a little child there, right? The eyelashes. Eyelashes is mpupe anya. Mpupe anya. You need to sound it. Mpupe anya. And if you watch my mouth, I close my mouth sounding it. Mpupe anya. Mpupe anya. Okay? Now, we have when you have a smiling face, okay? It's like a smiling face, a cheerful face. We say, Mwata moro amo. When you are smiling, I would say, you are smiling. E moro amo. And say, amoro amo. See, baby is nwata. Baby, the word is nwata. A baby is nwata. Again, a baby is nwata. All right? When you say a baby smile, you say nwata moro amo. Nwata moro amo. If you want to say my mom smile, my mom moro amo. My mom means my mom. My mom, my dad, papam, my mom, my mom, my dad, papam. Okay, you want to say my dad is mine. Papam moro amo. Papam moro amo. Some people will say amo, they call it chere ochi. If that's how your parents speak, go ahead and use that word. Mwata chere ochi. But we are using muramo here. But when you hear chere ochi, you know it means dissenting, okay? Mwata moro amo. So I'm going to add it here. Mwata chere ochi. You see that? It means the baby smile, okay? A baby smile, so baby smile. So, nwata moro amo. At least you know the word. What is nwata? Nwata means a baby, okay? Baby means nwata. Now, smile. Moro amo. Mobi say chere ochi. Chere ochi. The eyelashes is what? Mpupe anya. Mpupe anya. Now we have eyebrows. See, we have eyebrows here. Iku anya. Iku anya. Mpupe anya. Iku anya. Your eyebrows is iku anya. Your eyelashes mpupe anya. Okay? Now, you look at the cheerful face here. Ihu ochi. Face is different from, see, smile. I don't want you can cheerful face versus somebody smiling. Okay? Ochiri ochi. If you want to say she smiled. Ochiri ochi mobo omoro amu. Now a cheerful face. Ihu, because a face means what? Ihu. Your face is ihu. Now, cheerful face. Ihu ochi. Ihu ochi. Ihu ochi. Some people may say ihu amo, but I want us to use ihu ochi here, okay? ihu ọchị. Now, ọ na-amụ amụ. He is laughing. Some people say, ọ na-achị ọchị. We can put that one too. Ọ na-achị ọchị. Okay, we can say that. Ọ na-amụ amụ. They mean the same thing. Okay? Ọ na-achị ọchị na ọ na-amụ amụ. Ọ na-achị ọchị. Ọ na-achị ọchị. It means he is laughing. He is laughing. So they mean the same thing. Ọ na-achị ọchị. You can say, my mom is laughing. My mom na-achị ọchị. Mama m na-achị ọchị. Mama gị, meaning your mom is laughing. Mama gị na-achị ọchị. Or mama gị mụrụ amụ. Okay? All right. So now looking at this. Beard is aji afụ ọnụ. Some people just say afụ ọnụ, but aji means the hair. Some people say aji. The only time you use aji, okay, except the one on your head. Some people do call it aji, but ntutu is your hair. But when it comes to the hair on your body, your shin, any part of your body, it's aji. We don't call it ntutu. Yes, your hair is ntutu, but the only time the word changes is when it comes to hair on your body. Okay? You say aji, just like the beard. Aji afụ ọnụ. Okay? This beard is afụ ọnụ, but it's called aji afụ ọnụ. Aji afụ ọnụ, which is your beard. Okay? Now the glasses is enyo anya. Some people call it ugebe anya. Ugebe anya. Okay? Because mirror, we call mirror enyo. Enyo. So some people call it ugebe. So anything you can see with is ugebe, marble, enyo. So it's ugebe anya, marble. When I say marble, I need you to know this word. Now, or, marble means or. So when I say something and I say or, I say it in Igbo. Or means ma-obo. Ma-obo. Okay? Eyeglasses, enyo, anya. Or you marble, ugebe, anya. Ugebe, anya. Beard, aji, afụ ọnụ. When I ask you, I want you to look at it and tell me what it is. But you need to know all this. You need to know all this before next week. You have to memorize all this head area. We only did head area. We haven't even started doing our bodies, okay? So, the head area only. Okay? Now, your neck, we have not said that. We're going to start from the neck down next week. So, know everything we did. Know everything. All right? So, eyeglasses. Enyo anya, maọbụ ugebe anya. Your beard, aji afụ ọnụ. Okay? Cheerful face. Ihu ọchị. Cheerful face. Ihu ọchị. He is laughing. Ọ na-achị ọchị. Maọbụ ọ na-amụ amụ. Okay? Now, your face. Ihu. All right? Your eyebrows. Iku. Anya. Iku. Anya. Your eyelashes. Your eyelashes. Mpupe. Anya. A baby is what? Nwata. A baby is nwata. Now, baby smiled. Nwata mụrụ amụ. Okay. Nwata chere ọchị. Okay. Your tongue. Ire. Ire. Teeth. Eze. Eze. King. Eze. King. Eze. Your lip. Egbugboro ọnụ. Egbugboro ọnụ. Your lip. Your earring. Ọla ntị. Ọla ntị. Your chin. Agba. Agba. Your cheek. Ntị. See, it's done. Ntị. Ntị. Your ears. Ntị. It's high tone. Ntị. Your nose. Imi. Your mouth. Ọnụ. Your hair. Ntutu. Not ntoto. Ntoto is needle. This one is ntutu. Ntoto. Needle. Ntutu is hair. Head. Isi. All right. Now, any question? I'm not going to ask you to sound them, but your homework, everybody listen up. Your homework is to record yourself. I'm going to send the homework out. Record yourself sounding all the head area, all the parts that we did today. And it's going to be due by Thursday night. I'm going to send it out, but I need you to hear it. I don't want you to tell me, oh, my mom didn't give me. My mom, I know some of you do not have a phone. So make sure you tell your, especially the young ones, but I know the young adults here and teenagers, some of you have your phone. So look out for this homework. I'm going to send it out probably today or tomorrow because I have classes today. Okay, I'm not yet done. You're going to record yourself sounding out. Don't record it and send it when you are still practicing. I want to hear you sounding it fluently. You have to sound it right. I'm going to send another video, separate video, sounding all these head areas. So you hear me sounding it, okay? I'll do another video after this one. All right, so you homework. You know you have a homework. You're going to sound yourself and send to me by the end of, before Thursday, okay? From now till Thursday, midnight, but I'll still send it out. I'm going to unmute you. Unmute everybody so you can answer. You can. All right. So if you have a question, feel free to ask question now. Do you have a question? If you have a question, I unmuted everybody. I need you to ask question. If this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Raise your hand. 1 second. Okay, everybody, I unmuted you. Now, if you want to ask question, the first thing you do is, Enwere ahambo, you say your name. Enwere ajuju, and then you ask the question. Enwere ajuju. Enwere ajuju. If you have a question, get your hand up so I will see you. If you don't have a question, then we dismiss. And then you get ready for your homework. Onworonye nwelu ajojo. I don't see any hand up. Nobody is raising hand. No, so which means you know everything, right? You know how to sound it. You don't have any question. Okay. All right. I want to hear everybody tell me how to say it in Igbo. See you next time since you don't have questions.
Cardio.
Cardio.